unexpectedly get strong, got respect for me. You let niggas fuck but say you was scared to have sex with me. I can't trust these bitches, I watch who I let get next to me. And all my dead homies, I can't show bitches empathy. Cause I know what you gon' do before you do it. Got my eyes closed, but I still peep these niggas' movements. Got my mind blown, these bitches really think I'm stupid. I can't think about you, speak about you, I know what you doing now.
YouTube, how y'all doing? What it do, what it is. I wanted to come in today and do a short little simple eyebrow tutorial video. I was asked to do it, and you know, there's nothing else that my face is so dry. I wanted to come in, do a little short and simple eyebrow video because I know you guys see my eyebrows, and I know you guys, you know, want to know how you do your eyebrows. Ask me, Kayla, how you do your eyebrows?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Make sure before you apply any kind of makeup that you wash your face. We're gonna grab my handy dandy makeup box. Yeah, we're gonna grab this and we're just gonna open it.
Wow.
We're gonna start off with wiping our face off with a face-friendly cleanser. Wipe off anything that you might have on your face.
Okay.
So what I usually start off with, I'll get my aloe vera, 100% aloe vera gel, and I'll just moisturize because see, this is why my face is so clear. Just toss my hair to the back. So I'll see I have eyebrows. I have very, very nice eyebrows. I need to shape them because look at you. What is that? Start off with either a dip or a pencil. I have a pencil because I like to use a pencil. It's just whatever you prefer to use is what you should use. I just don't do dip right now because it's a lot and they dry up really quickly. This is my eyebrow pencil, it's just my lip pencil.
Really, Nick?
So you're gonna wanna grab your mirror. Hey, look at me. So you're gonna wanna grab it. Alright, you're gonna wanna grab your mirror. And you're gonna outline your eyebrow. So wherever your eyebrow is, how thick in your arch, that's what you wanna do. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. And it's just the outline, just the outline. It's not like coloring in yet, just the outline. And what I like to do is I like to do my outline and stop right here, or start right here and go all the way to my end. Oh, cute. To go under for the ombre effect, or for the fade effect, I like to call it. And it's just like that. So you're just doing the all the way under but halfway over. So once you do that, you want to go ahead and start where you started right here for your upper, and you just want to color that in from there back. Don't touch the front at all. Just color it in all the way to the end, and then you'll have that. It does look a mess. It does look a mess. Don't judge me. You want to go to this line and you just want to start blending that in. Blend the hard line into, go upward, and then start going over. Once you go over, you can hit the top line, blend that in, and keep going down, keep going over. So all of the hard lines are now faded. All the hard lines are now like not hard anymore. You don't really see them or nothing like that. So, oh, did I just, okay, there you go. But yeah, you see it better. You don't have that much hard lines, none of that, none of the error. You're gonna wanna grab your concealer pencil. I have this concealer pencil. brush. I have my concealer brush, okay? Concealer brush. Concealer. So I use Pro Concealer. I've always used Pro Concealer ever since I started doing my eyebrows. Pro Concealer is a very good concealer because it covers up very good and it's not expensive at all. You're gonna wanna, with your concealer, always get 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Do not get the same skin tone as your skin tone because it will not come out as highly defined as you want it to. Get 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Just get 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Open it, handy dandy concealer, and you're gonna go ahead. I like to squeeze about that much out because I'm not about to just, no, that's not, no, do not do that. Do not do that, please. Do not do that. Just don't. It's so messy. So you want to grab a little concealer brush, tap the dot. So literally you're just gonna take it, tap it. You're not grabbing that much. It's just a little bit. Just a little bit. So
start in the middle, not all the way up front. Start in the middle and work your way over. And follow your guide. If you need to go back and grab more, just a little dot, and go at the end. Okay?
And that's it. So you guys see how it's clearing up all the black lines and stuff like that. You just keep going until you have a tail. Now, this is where you just fix whatever you
want to fix. If you want a higher arch, I like to give myself a higher arch. That's just what I prefer. But just go wherever you want to do. So there you go.
That's all you have to do. Now you're gonna go ahead, grab another dot, just a little bit,
and go up to the front. If you need to wipe off any excess concealer, go ahead and do that. Some of the concealer you most likely won't need. But yeah.
So there you go. You have it underneath. Hold on, let me get that light again. You have it underneath, and it's just that. Now the top portion, you're gonna do the same thing, but this time you don't have to start in the middle. You can go ahead and just start off right off the top.
So yeah, I have to look down. Always follow your guide. Never go away from your guide. And then just fix any parts that you want to fix. If you want to have it like angled downward, have it angled downward. If you want it angled upward, have it angled upward. If you want to have like a permanent little frown,
Any little like swoop like that, go ahead and have that. It all depends on whatever you want to do to your eyebrows. So this is the outcome of it. So now all you want to do is just blend out that.
If it's like hard like this, if I have a lot of concealer right there, I'll use my brush, the other side of my brush, and blend that out. And then I'll start going in with my finger. Some people like to use the blending sponges. I like to use my finger. I like to use both. It's just right now I don't have any.
So then that's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta deal with. And then you have your eyebrow. There is like a little bit of concealer left and you guys can see it, but I don't really care. That goes away with when I put foundation. Do that on the next eyebrow, and I'm gonna just do that real fast. So then you have both eyebrows. And look, here's something that you guys need to understand, okay? Hold on. It took me a long time to get my eyebrows to be even. It took me a long time for my eyebrows to get like, hold on. So you're not just gonna watch my tutorial and you're gonna do your eyebrows afterwards, or do your eyebrows while you're watching this video and just be all like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get my eyebrows perfect the first time, it's gonna be great, I'm gonna do awesome, I'm just gonna eyebrows are phenomenal. I say I started doing eyebrows in the 10th grade. I've been out of school for about a year, graduated last year, and wow, it's really been a year. And then 3 years. It took me 3 years to actually get my eyebrows to like look similar, look the same. It just like happened just like that. I did not catch my eyebrows and it just be like really perfect just like that. It takes time. So if you're patient, if you have a steady hand and you're really patient with your work, you will get even eyebrows. You will get the eyebrows that you desire. You'll get the eyebrows that you want. So that's all there is to it. What I just did at the end is that I took whatever foundation that I had left on this brush from putting on the foundation on my face. I went around my eyebrows and I went on my eyelid and I just put the foundation, whatever foundation was there, and then I went in between and just brushed like that so you could have the little fade effect. That's it to the video. There's nothing really more that I can tell you guys. When you do your eyebrows, also they're not twins, they're sisters. They're not gonna look the same, they're not gonna be on the same level, they're not gonna like, that's not how it works. It's just like wherever your eyebrows are placed, that's where your eyebrows are placed. You can't adjust it unless you get plastic surgery or lipo. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe, and comment. Wow, I'm really saying that. Sure to be making more videos, whatever videos you guys want to see, I'm here for them. I can do makeup videos, I can do hair review videos. This wig I got from Amazon and it's human, 22 inches, 150 density, and it's an easy installation, well, for me because I went to cosmetology school, but yeah, it's just like, it's really nice. It feels nice. You can wet it, you can straighten it, put your curl activator, whatever, blase. But I'm here for it all. If you guys want to see prank videos, if you guys want to see like reaction videos, if you guys want to see reviews, like any reviews on any kind of product that you guys are curious about, let me know. Let me know. DM my Instagram. I will for sure put it somewhere over here. I don't really use Snapchat like that anymore. I actually deleted my. Can DM me. You guys can tell me what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see like me text my best friend or me text my crush, I'll do that. If you want to see prank videos, if you want to see vlogs, I'm all about that. I do work, so I'm gonna try hard as I can to actually fulfill all these. If you want to see vlogs, I do hang out with my best friend a lot. We go everywhere, so I'm down for that. Yeah, just let me know in the comments, let me know in my DMs, let me know on my Instagram, and I will do them. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll get back to y'all later.